You were a leader in industry. How has Toastmasters leadership changed your definition of leadership?
Leadership means to have people follow you, speak clearly, be engaging, and have them really be excited and really speak well, because that's what it takes to really bring people on, to get them committed to your vision. I didn't have that. I just said, this is my vision, you're going to follow it, because I always know I'm right. Well, I learned in Toastmasters that no, you have got to speak clearly, you've got to speak convincingly with gestures and excitement and say, hey, you know what? Let's talk. Let me understand where you're coming from and address your audience. That's a big thing I've learned in Toastmasters. Just talk about them and say, hey, relate to them. How can I help you? How can you get involved? And actually talk to your audience and get their input. I wished I had known all that. I would have been effective. I would have actually gotten my vision implemented. Didn't always happen because I didn't talk to people. I didn't relate to them. I didn't use active listening, and there's conversation about that. So that's just so important, and I've learned that from Toastmasters. I wished I had done Toastmasters before I ever became a leader.